let's go. I think she's out of breath.
I think I need to walk. Come on. Come on, Mom. Dang, I missed it.
Here, hold on. I bet she'll do it again.
Lucky for you, Air Optics brand has a lens approved for up to 30 days and nights of continuous wear. That's why they're
Here, say. I can't. She's biting my hand. Do it again. Oh God, she's.